Welcome to my channel. Today topic is about what is a bund. A bund is a secondary containment system which is designed to capture any leaks or spillage from a primary containment such as a storage tank. This is called as a secondary containment. This is a primary containment. The primary containment, the tank which is used to store the diesel or petrol, any liquids. This secondary containment is used to provide to contain the liquids in case if any leakage happen in this primary containment which is tank. Do I need a bund? It is a highly recommended to have secondary containment on all hazardous liquids storage as their uncontrolled release may cause environment damage and create a hazardous working environment. So this secondary containment is used to recommended to prevent the spillage of hazardous liquids in the working environment, and this secondary containment will arrest the liquids to prevent spill. Bundle capacity. How do you calculate and construct the bundle? The bundle capacity industry standard are the 110 percentage. This is the industrial standard capacity. The extra 10 percentage capacity is to allow for additional liquids such as rainwater, firefighting media, overfilling of containers. It is also reduce the chance of liquids overtopping the side of the bund in case of any leakages happen. The 110 percentage rule is applicable. The bund needs to have capacity of at least 110 percentage. The primary containment volume. If a tank has a capacity of 10,000 liter, the bund needs to have a capacity of 11,000 liters. So which is 10 percentage is added here. As a minimum, you should have a 700 mm separation distance between the primary container, which is tank, and the bund walls to allow for easy tank inspection and movements. PS 8110 bunds can be constructed from the reinforced concretes only. How is the capacity of the steel bund calculated? How do I get the height or depth of the bund for my requirements? There is a simple formula for calculating the volume, capacity and height that a spillage control bund needs to be done. The capacity of the bund must be at least 110 percentage rule of the volume of the largest container in the storage. I hope you guys understand about this 110 percentage rules. The first step of calculating the bundle size. Identify the volume of the largest container to be stored within the bund. So you have to identify the tanks or trams which you're going to store inside the bund capacity. So the capacity that I have taken 207 liter. So 44 gallons for tram, etc. Add a 10 percentage rules to this volume of the largest container. To add the 10 percentage to 207 liter, you will get the answer of 228 liter. So now we have to build the bund for the capacity of 228 liter storage. Measure the height into width in centimeter of the area where the bund is to be located. That is, I have taken 200 mm length and 300 centimeter width of the bund. If you multiply 200 centimeter into 300 centimeter, the answer will get 60,000. There are 1000 cubic centimeter in 1 liter. So in 1000 cubic centimeter area, we can use to store 1 liter liquids. So for 228 liter, how much the tank size is required? So if you multiply the 1000 into 228 liter, the answer you will get 228,000. Divide this volume by the area which we already got. To get the minimum height of the bund, which is 3.8 centimeter. This means that for a bund 2 meter height, if you convert 3 meter width and 3.8 centimeter height, bund wall is required to store the large container of 207 liter. Here we go. You will see the calculation, how we done the calculation, the bund wall calculation. The large tank capacity, we are going to store 207 liter. So at the 10 percentage rule, we add the 10 percentage rule, we will get the answer of 228 liter. Multiply the length into width in centimeter. So I have got the 200 centimeter length and 300 centimeter width is equal to 60,000 centimeter. In 1000 cubic centimeter, we can use to store 1 liter as we already discussed. So for 200 for the capacity of 228 liter, if we multiply the 228 liter by 1000, the answer you will get 228,000. So for get the height, you have to divide the 228,000 by 60,000. So answer will get 3.8 centimeter height is required or bund hole. So if you want to construct the bund hole for store the 207 liter capacity tank, we have to build the bund 200-meter length into 300-meter width into 3.8 centimeter height used to store the large container of 207 liter. Thanks for watching my video.